This tutorial covers the basics of working with files from your online cloud storage. It is assumed that it has been set up correctly, so we proceed with uploading an EEG. Let's go to the Cloud Storage Manager from the home screen, by clicking the cabinet icon in the top right corner. Let's upload a file by clicking the up arrow icon and select one from the file system. Here we can monitor the progress, and once uploaded, it is shown in the contents of the storage. Let's review the uploaded EEG. We click the cloud icon to select the cloud storage and select the file we've just uploaded for review. The file is being prepared and shown. Let's review the file information for this EEG. There is an information overlay, displaying file information as well as location of the file. Certain actions are also available for this file. The file can be downloaded back to your local computer, or the file can be synchronized back to your cloud storage, or the file can be shared by means of a public link. Let's annotate this EEG and store the results back into your cloud storage. Therefore, we place a marker named Test in the EEG. Now we head back to the information overlay and select Synchronize. The file is being synchronized and the synchronization progress is shown in the bottom of the overlay. If you close and reopen the file, the test annotation we created is shown. Now we can create a share link to share this modified EEG with anyone we choose to. Therefore, we click the Share button in the information overlay. A public link is being generated and shown when done. This link can be copied or clicked upon directly. Let's click on it and see what happens. As you can see, NeuroCenter EEG is open and displaying the EEG in read-only mode. It's that easy to work with online EEGs from your cloud storage. The information overlay also informs you about the signals in the EEG file. This comes in handy when you need to adjust a montage to your specific file. Click on the brain icon to display the signals. We hope this guide will get you started quickly working with cloud files in NeuroCenter EEG. If you run into issues, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below.